So this event has been very, very interesting. It's my first time participating. Gave an interesting insight into the open source interest, both from the US government side, but also from other organizations. So it gave an opportunity to speak with many users of our product as well, and to gain some valuable feedback, but most of all, understanding the substantial investment that the US is undertaking in future G.
This year's event was very packed. There was talks, there was demos, tutorials, and then I had the chance to also network with other people, other researchers and fellow platform developers, and learn from what research they are working on.
So we use srsRAN as part of our embedded in our testbed, which is just upstairs from here in our XG testbed and all that we do. And in my work, I'm actually looking at it in research, particularly SRS and sort of the initiatives that are doing, looking at sort of the geopolitical, the economic, the sustainability and security issues that are going, and sort of the controversy of using proprietary and conventional methods versus open radio access networks, and why that is such an important place to move forward.
As for what I've gained, it's been incredibly helpful being able to talk to all sorts of other companies that are using srsRAN as well, and learning from their experiences, as well as being able to talk to some of the srsRAN engineers themselves. They've been very helpful and provided some very useful insights that will help myself with my own future development work.
We are developing at UC San Diego and Texas A&M University as a joint collaboration project. We are working on this real-time RAN intelligent controller, or RIC, and our very first prototype is with the srsRAN project, and it's already out there open source for use for the research community, and it's completely well integrated real-time RIC for the PHY, MAC and RLC functionalities as of today.
SRS is enabling the future of telecommunications in the way that it is enabling people to do better research, more technology development, unlocking new concepts and ideas.
So if we take a look at telecom aspects, RAN is where majority of the cost goes in, and if we are able to minimize that cost aspect by leveraging open RAN, open source software in a secure fashion, it's a game changer, and with that we will be able to deliver the cost savings back to our end consumers, and also adopt innovation rather quickly, as well as there are more players contributing towards open source.